This is a Melodies Ambience podcast. Hello, my name is Melody, and welcome to my podcast, Melodies Ambience Meditation. Lovingly crafted audio designed to help you relax, slow down, and to guide you through a blissful meditation. Each episode features 25 minutes of beautifully ambient sounds and soothing music, plus a new guided meditation and mantra read to you in my quiet and calming voice. I release a new, peaceful episode every few days, ideal for your journey to awareness and calm. To find all my podcasts, such as Melodies Ambient Sleep, just search for Melodies Ambience in your favorite app. You can also get in touch with me at Melodies Ambience on Facebook and Instagram. Or email melodies.ambience@gmail.com. I hope you enjoy this episode as much as I enjoyed making it. Now, simply focus on the sound and follow my gentle instructions. Find a comfortable and quiet space where you won't be disturbed. You can sit on a cushion or a chair with your spine straight but not rigid, or you can lie down on your back. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, letting your eyelids become heavy. Now take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your lungs completely. Feel your chest and belly expand. Hold that breath for a moment, and then slowly release it through your mouth with a soft sigh. Let your shoulders drop and the tension melt away. Do this 2 more times. Inhale deeply through your nose, hold, and exhale slowly through your mouth. Once more, a deep inhale, hold, and a long, gentle exhale. As you settle in, gently bring your awareness to your breath. There's no need to change it, just notice its natural rhythm. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warm air as you exhale. Notice the gentle rise and fall of your chest and belly. Bring your awareness completely to the very top of your head. Simply observe any sensations present, a slight tingling, warmth, or deep stillness. Slowly, like a gentle wave, move that awareness down your face. Let your jaw slack and soft, your tongue fully relaxed. Allow this attention to flow further down your neck and into your shoulders. Visualize any tension held here dissolving completely with each slow outward breath. Guide your focus down your arms, through your hands, all the way to the tips of your fingers. Sense a soft, subtle energy there. Now, bring your attention into your chest and abdomen. tuning into the gentle, effortless rhythm of your breathing. Let this wave of awareness wash down into your hips, through your legs, and settle in your feet and toes. Feel the weight of your entire body secure, grounded, and fully held by the surface supporting you. For a moment, simply feel the totality of your body as one unified, unbroken experience. Bring your attention to the phrase, "I am a free bird." As you inhale, mentally say, "I am a free bird." As you exhale, mentally repeat, "I am a free bird." Allow the words to resonate within you. There's no need to force any feeling. Simply let the repetition gently soothe your mind and body. If your mind begins to wander, gently and simply bring your focus back to the words, "I am a free bird." Let them be a soft rhythm for your mind to follow, a gentle anchor for your awareness. I am a free bird, choosing to trade my predictable routine for a career path that actually lets me see the sun during the day. I am a free bird, politely declining a draining social obligation because my inner peace is far more valuable than keeping up appearances. I am a free bird, finally speaking my unfiltered truth in a meeting, trusting that my ideas are strong enough to carry their own weight. I am a free bird, wandering through a new city without a map or a schedule, allowing my curiosity to be the only compass I need. I am a free bird, letting go of a long-held grudge and watching the weight of that resentment drop away as I move toward lighter days. I am a free bird, silencing my notifications for the entire evening to reclaim my focus and remember what it feels like to just exist. I am a free bird, wearing exactly what makes me feel bold and authentic today, completely unbothered by the passing glances of strangers. I am a free bird, final, silent utterance, let the mantra dissolve. Draw your complete awareness inward, returning to the ancient, steady rhythm of your breath. Do not seek to alter this flow. Simply become a quiet witness to its inherent grace. Sense the invigorating coolness entering on the inhale and the soft, released warmth accompanying the exhale. Witness the tide-like movement, the gentle ascent and descent of your torso. This breath is your faithful anchor, a perpetual invitation back to the eternal now. Should the mind become busy, regard any arising thoughts as transient wisps, momentary clouds drifting across an infinite sky. Offer a brief nod to the thought, and with great tenderness, redirect your focus back to the breath's quiet, powerful current. Let each breath unfold without effort. With each ongoing breath, let your attention drift outward. Feel the boundaries of your body dissolve as you become aware of the container of the room. Distant sounds may enter your hearing. The subtle touch of the air may be felt on your skin. Let these sensations arrive and pass, holding them lightly. You are not these things, only the witness. Rest in this moment as the calm, vast presence. Experience the stillness and unlimited space that encompasses you. When you are ready, you can begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Take a deeper breath than before. Gently wiggle your fingers and your toes. Stretch your arms overhead if it feels good. Slowly and gently, open your eyes and take a moment to carry this feeling of calm and peace with you as you move into the rest of your day. Thank you for your attention. May this new awareness bring you peace and comfort.